Act more like Abilene and they'll leave you alone. Hello goat lovers, this is Crystal with Blue Cactus Dairy Goats. What started with 4 chickens and 2 goats quickly grew into a lifestyle. So we moved, got more land, and of course, more goats. Follow our adventures as we grow our herd, our food, and our family. Okay, so these girls have been in here for a couple days up along the fence with the big does. So right now we are going to introduce them to the herd. Let's see how this goes. Girls, be nice. Yeah, just open her up. Let's see. Well, go check out the does. Oh, Mayo. Of course, Mayo's gonna be a punk about it. These two are fighting. Checking them out. Be nice. Ooh. Shelly. No. Alright, well, so far so good. That went better than I thought.
So this is where they were. It was 11 days. Now they're over here with some new herd members. And all the senior does are loving it. And these little juniors have tested the fence a few times. Turns out it's hot. Especially Lodi there, the black little doeling. Stubbornness runs in her family.
Every day I've been coming out here to try to find some green beans, and I've yet to find any. It has been super hot here, over 100 degrees, and the garden has just kind of been slow going, just kind of hanging on, if you will, trying to make it through the heat. So it's cooled down a couple days, for a few days now. It's getting a little bit cooler, and the garden's really liking it. And just in a few days, it's really starting to take off. So getting excited about that. But like our tomatoes are getting big. You know, we got an abundance of zucchini. Still waiting on my green beans, but we should get those anytime now. You know, we've been getting tomatoes. We got more lettuce coming up. We've been getting cucumbers. So, you know, we've even picked some of the potatoes. So it's doing pretty good, considering it's 110. So our peppers are growing up. We got more peppers over here. So, still just waiting on those darn green beans. Hoping we get those soon. So day one of introducing the little doelings to the herd. The older does went really, really well. I think we know just having them along the fence for a couple days so they got to introduce each other really helped out a lot. But I mean, it went really well. They were out there grazing with them all day. Hi. She was a little bit of a bully Mayo here, but nobody's hurt, and you know, it's how it goes. So they're all doing really well. It was a success for day one.